Hello, today we will guide you through how to change invoice number in QuickBooks Online. If you need to update an invoice number in QuickBooks Online, the process is straightforward once the customer transaction number setting is enabled. In this walkthrough, we'll first turn that option on, and then we'll open the invoice and change the number directly. Start from the QuickBooks Online homepage. This is your main dashboard, where you can access the tools and settings needed for account changes. From the home screen, move to the top right corner and click the Settings icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of the account-wide preferences that control how your forms and transactions behave. In the Settings menu, select Account and Settings. This will open the area where you can manage different sections of your company file, including sales preferences. Once you're in Account and Settings, click on Sales. The Sales section contains options related to invoices, estimates, and other customer-facing transaction settings. In the Sales settings, turn on the Customer Transaction Number option and then click Save. This setting is important because it allows you to manually edit invoice numbers instead of relying only on automatic numbering. If this option is off, you may not be able to enter the number you want. After saving, make sure the change is applied before moving on. Next, move to the left side navigation panel and hover your mouse over Sales. This will open the sales-related menu options so you can access your customer transactions. From there, click Invoices. You'll be taken to your invoice list where you can review existing invoices and choose the one you want to update. Find the invoice you want to change and click View Page Edit. This opens the full invoice screen so you can make adjustments to its details. On the invoice page, go to the top right area of the form and enter the new invoice number. Be careful when updating this field, especially if you already have a numbering sequence in place. It's a good idea to use a number that matches your existing format so your records stay organized and easy to track. Once the new number has been entered, review the invoice briefly to make sure everything looks correct. That's all it takes to change an invoice number in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for following along with this guide.